As fuck. Bro, it's loud as fuck. Who pulled that shit, bro?
Wait, where Lacey at?
That nigga did this and cracked 100K. Nigga did this and cracked 100K.
Hey, Lacey! What is that? What is that? Come here. The elevator doesn't work right now. Wait, what? Oh, shit! What the fuck?
I gotta evacuate.
Yo, who pulled a fucking firearm?
I don't think the elevator.
Go ahead.
Bro, this shit loud as fuck, bro.
Oh my god, bro. How do I undo it? You can't.
It's so fucking loud, bro.
Don't